Okay, so the Home tab. You look at it every single day, and honestly, most people use maybe 5 buttons on it. There's way more in there. 7 groups, and each one saves you real time. Let's go through all of them. So here's the map. Left to right. Clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, and editing. 7 groups. And that order? It's not random. It's basically the order you work in. Copy something, make it look right, then clean it up. Group 1. Clipboard. Cut, copy, paste. You know these. But Format Painter, that's the one people skip. Click a cell that already looks good, hit the paintbrush, then click somewhere else. The formatting jumps over. That's it. Group 2. Font. Font name, size, bold, italic, underline. Then borders, fill color, font color. Look, Control B, Control I, Control U. Bold, italic, underline. If you're still clicking those buttons, yeah, stop. Just use the keys. Group 3, alignment. And this one's about where the text sits. Top, middle, bottom, left, center, right. Then 2 big ones. Wrap text, which breaks long text into lines so it stops spilling everywhere. And merge and center for titles across a few columns. Group 4, number. Same value, different look. Currency, percent, comma for thousands, and the decimal buttons. And Control 1 opens Format Cells, which does all of it in one place. Now, Group 5, styles. This is where it gets good. Conditional formatting highlights cells by a rule, so your low numbers go red by themselves. Format as table gives you filters and banded rows instantly. And cell styles, ready-made looks, one click. Group 6, cells. Insert, delete, format, rows, columns, whole sheets. Format is the one you want for row height and column width. And Group 7, editing. AutoSum adds up your numbers, just Alt equals. Fill copies down with Control D. Clear wipes contents or formats. Then sort and filter, and find and select for jumping around a big sheet. Right, quick cheat sheet. Control B, I, U for bold, italic, underline. Control C and V, Control 1 for format cells, Alt equals for AutoSum, Control D to fill down, Control F to find, Control G to go to. Learn 10 of these and you'll barely touch the ribbon again. So, 4 things to remember. The Home tab is built for fast formatting and basic editing. It's where you live when you're cleaning data. Shortcuts beat clicking every time. And practice a little each day. It becomes muscle memory. Master this one tab and Excel just feels easier. If this helped, follow AR All Tips for more.